It's your girl Lalaslim here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine, basically my daily skincare routine. And before we even begin, I just want to let you guys know that what I usually do is I wash my hands with some soap before I even touch my face. If you touch your face and you have a whole bunch of bacteria, you're going to have a whole bunch of pimples, you're going to be breaking out, your skin's just going to be very bad, okay? So wash your hands first with some soap. So I'm using the Body Ecology Nourishing Hand Soap. It's in the flavor Cucumber Melon. Right? So I'll put some in my hands, wash my hands together. So what I usually use for my face, I use two different things. I sometimes use the Cetaphil cleanser, and sometimes I use this. This is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented pure Castile soap. This stuff is good. You can use this you can shower with this. You can use this to clean stuff. I think you can wash dishes with this too. You can do a lot of things with this. This is like a multi-purpose type of item. Alright, so we got our washcloth or rag or whatever you guys call them. I call it washcloth, my washcloth. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wet it till it's completely wet. Then we're gonna squeeze a little bit of the water out and put a couple drops of this. We're gonna put enough to make sure that it's bubbly like this. Take off my glasses. Before I start with my face, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wet it a little bit. There we go. So I'm gonna use my washcloth and start massaging it in circles. You want to make sure you're doing this for a couple of seconds to make sure that you're getting rid of all the bacteria that's sitting on your face. Get a little bit under your chin as well. I'm going to go in with the Apricot scrub with natural exfoliants, paraben and I don't know what this word is. It's something free. It's oil free as well, which is perfect for my skin because I have oily skin, oily and dry some parts. Alright, so we take a little bit of it and massage it into our skin. And for the face scrub, I usually do this twice a week or 2-3 times a week. It depends on how my skin feels. We're gonna add a little bit of water because it's a little bit too rough for my skin right now. Oh, sorry, I'm not looking into the camera. I'm actually looking at the mirror. And I also want to apologize for the noise that you guys are hearing in the background. That's basically the fans in the bathroom. We're gonna massage it real good. Take your time with this, okay, guys? So that you can wash your face and really clean it. Alright, so right now we're finished. I want to give you guys a little story. Basically around this time last year, my face broke out so much. It broke out so bad. I was going through a lot of stuff and my face just, it reflected on my face. So what I ended up doing to clear my skin was exactly this. I stopped using all the harsh products that I was using. I thought, you know, it's supposed to help. It says acne, you know, the products say they can help with acne. I thought they're actually supposed to help. So, you know, I used the harsh products trying to get rid of it, but I realized when I started using the simple and the gentle products, my skin loved it. Like, I saw not instant relief, but I saw my skin start getting better. The first month I started using this. Let me show you guys what it looks like again. This, and doing the same routine that you guys see me doing now. When I started actually taking care of my face, when I started taking care of my skin and taking care of myself, I saw a big difference. Okay, so what I normally would do after I do this, I would do this twice a week, would be a face mask. I'm not gonna do it right now because I did it yesterday, so no face mask. But I would you know, do a face mask after this. Alright, so I'm gonna dry off my face. I'll be right back. When you're drying your face off after doing all this, especially after using exfoliant, I would pat dry my face. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. You want to pat dry it to make sure that you're not being too rough, because it can cause your skin to get irritated and actually get worse than better. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop doing this so you guys can understand. Okay, it can actually cause your skin to get worse and not better if you guys are rubbing your face a lot, you know, with a towel after using this. Alright, so I pat dry my face. What I like to do after that is my moisturizer. I don't really do any witch hazel or anything like that after, because I don't know, for some reason I feel like it dries out my skin. I don't like to use all that stuff unless I really feel like I need to. So the moisturizer I'm gonna be using, let me show you guys. It's the Pond's Light Moisturizer Hydratant. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. You don't even really need a lot, just, you know, massage it in. And what I like about this is the fact that it doesn't cause my skin to be oily after I apply it. It basically, my face actually sucks it up. It's like my face loves this thing, you guys. This is how my skin looks. Sometimes I like to, after I finish doing that, I like to add a little bit of Vaseline on my lips, because if I'm taking care of my face and all, I need to take care of my lips as well, you know. Add a little bit of Vaseline, and then I add, you know, my lip gloss, you know.
My lip gloss is cool, my lip gloss be popping. I'm standing at my locker, and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking, they chase me after school.
And I want to say thank you guys for watching my video. If you made it to the end, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment and share. This video will be beneficial to somebody. Okay guys, use gentle products on your skin, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you guys next time. And if you guys want to, you can comment on the bottom and, you know, let me know what you guys want me to do next. I always want you guys' opinion. Alright, peace out.